today I am going to tell some tips through which you can improve your communication skill. So come friend, I will show you. So hello Ayush.
Hello.
How are you doing?
I am doing great, and you?
Yeah, I am also doing great. So can I know something about you? Means can I ask something about to you?
Yes.
Okay. So wait. So I want to ask some question that are you knowing some tips through which we can improve our communication skill?
Yeah.
Okay, so can you tell to our friends?
Yes, friends, I will say.
Okay, yeah, just say.
Okay, friends, 4 tips you will practice the English. Friends. First is L, second is S, third is R, and fourth is W. Okay? Then, friends, what it mean and what it is spelling also I am going to tell. L, listening. LISTENING, listening. And listening means like when you will like any story you will listen, then you will first listen them. And the second is S, speaking. Speaking means like when you will whatever you are listening, that you will speak. And third is reading. Reading. Then reading means third is reading. Reading means like whatever you are speaking, that you will read. Okay? And fourth is like that. For last is W. Writing. WRITING, writing. We are writing whatever you are reading, that you will write. Okay, friends, I'm say now I am going to. Okay, I follow these tips and then I say my English practice confidence and fluently. Okay, friend, I am going to my sister.
Okay, so he is absolutely right. All the tips they have given, this is very right. And do you know friends, there are 4 tips through which you can speak. You can easily improve your communication skill. The first one is that LSRW. L for listening, R for reading, S for speaking, W for writing. You know friends, L for listening. We have to listen some stories, we have to listen anything carefully. After that, we have to listen it carefully. Whatever the things are given, we have to listen first carefully. After that, we have to make it reading. We have to make it reading, that whatever the things they are given, we have to make it reading parts. And after that we have to speaking whatever we have written in the copies or notes, we have to speak. Because if we will speak in front of camera or mirror, you can easily speak with fluent and confident. Because do you know friends that in front of camera or mirror, if we want to speak, then we feel like we don't want to speak, we are not knowing speaking. That the things you will feel in front of camera and in front of mirror. So in front of camera or in front of mirror, you have to speak. Because after speaking, you can see in yourself that you are speaking very confident and fluently. After those things, we have to write. After those things, you have to write, and you have to also read book. Because if you will read most book, you can easily speak. Because if you are reading out loud, if you are reading books, if you are reading some books, if you are reading some books, like you are reading some books loudly, after that you can easily speak. Because do you know friend that in reading part there is also hidden a speaking part also. So like this tips, if you will follow friends, you can easily speak. And I have also followed these tips through which I am also learning English. And I also assure that if you will follow these tips, you can also easily speak English. So thank you friends. In this video I will meet in the next video, and the things that I want to share with you, I have shared you.